So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to write a polynomial function given the zeros. Remember, the zero of a function is also the x-intercept. So it's when the value of the function equals 0. The y value is 0. So we start, if we have a fraction, we can determine the binomial from which it came. What we want to do is use only integers when we're writing our polynomial. Now yes, there's more than one polynomial that has these zeros. I'm going to try and write the simplest form, meaning all integers instead of using the fraction. So think about, again, these are zeros. This is where this is the x value when y is 0. So to set this equal to 0, sure, I could add 3/4, but that's going to give me a fraction. Another way to solve for 0 is to multiply both sides by 4 and then add 3. So think about solving that binomial. If that were when we factored a function, one of the factors that we got, we would solve to get the 0 of -3/4. So it's a little bit simpler way of looking at it. So that's our first binomial. When we've got integer zeros, we just throw them in the asylum. So we have 4x plus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 4. I'm just going to name our function g of x. And finally, to write the function, we multiply and put it in standard form, of course. So I'm going to distribute my first two terms. And I'm going to rewrite this because I like my function notation in front. So we've got the 4x times x gives me 4x squared. 4x times -2 is -8x, plus 3 times x is -5x. And 3 times -2 is -6. Distributing again. 4x squared times x, 4x squared times -4. Distributing my -5 to both terms. Distributing my -6 to both terms. And then combining like terms and simplifying.